Well, good morning everyone. Well, today I'm at a little campsite and I just show you the way that I go about setting up my camp here to get a meal on. So if you want to see that, hang around and I'll show you all the tricks. This is what I carry all my camping gear in that I need. It was one of my travel bags that I had years ago. My knife, my headlight, my fuel, and my little burner here. This is the site that I've chosen here to have my evening meal. Just here on the bank by my billy there. I've got a native wood pigeon here who's joining me. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer to him. Can you see him there in the tree? I'll just sneak a bit. Hello, there was two of them. I didn't see either of them. A tui there fighting with him. Anyway, he flew off, but I'll go back here to my campsite. So this is a little flat pack that comes in this pack here, and it travels easy. We assemble it like so, installing the grill into the bottom. So it makes up a little firebox like so. These are the cross members that go on top. So the little firebox assembles like so. Quite easy to draw together. I came across this fuel grade Euro fuel here. It's what's the name of it? It is called methanol gel, and it's used in the food industry to heat food in bain-maries and the likes of that. But it works really good. It's burning now, and you can't even see the flame. I just put enough in for a cup of tea to get me going while I organise my food. Well, I've got a small T-bone here for tea, but I just need to put a bit of seasoning on it. And I like pepper on it too. Just a little bit of oil here on it too. That's coming along nicely here. I'll just flip her over and I'll do the other side. It's about now that I put a couple of tomatoes in. So I'll pop a tomato in there because the other side's nearly done. And I've also got a bit of salad and tomato there from last night's meal that I'll put in to warm up. So I have tomato there, and there's a bit of cold spud. I might as well warm that up. That was from last night's meal there, and that can be warmed up. One egg, I broke the other three in the back bag here. There's one alive still, so I'll put that there as well. We'll give that to the workers. Let's start plating up our salad here. I can detect rain in the distance, but it should be alright. A bit of lettuce. I think the steak is pretty well done. I think I like it like that, medium rare. I'll put my tomatoes over there. My last of my eggs on top there, and a bit of spud here. It's all warmed up now. I'll put him on that side of him. The blowflies are certainly attracted to my meal, but here I've got my camping cutlery set. Lovely plastic stuff there by Systema. This is their first run. So I just got to keep the flies off and we'll have a go at this. I've also got a little bit of tomato sauce here that I put on my steak around there like that. And I've got a bit of dressing here also. That'll go on my salad. That looks good. I don't need my spoon yet, but I have got myself a drink. So we're having a bit of Ribena here. So let's get into it. We've got a T-bone steak here, potato, an egg, and tomato. Bon appetit. Beautifully cooked, medium rare. Beautiful. Now all I have to do is set up my tent here, and I'm out of the wind in this little pocket here. No one can see me from the road, and I'm safe as houses here. So cheers.